Nah, secure the bag with 1017 Scoochie. Yeah, Puerto Rico, East Atlanta, well, Miami. My money machine go beep, I love the sound that it make. Plus all these racks I'm count, I think that my machine bout to break. Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag. These private flights, Miami nice, these Gucci bags full of cash. So when Tay Swift from Puerto Rico, we go hard for the cheese.
Yo, what's going on, family? What's good? What's good? All right, let's get this thing cracking. Let's see. All right, everybody's good in the chat. All right. We good to go. Hope everybody's having a good New Year so far. You know I am, right? New Year is looking good. But no, hope everybody having a good New Year. Everybody should be, for the most part, profitable on these puts. All right, everybody should be profitable on the puts. So everything should be looking good as far as our short. Let me say the short-term puts. So we got a short-term put position right now. That should be up. I'm up 71% right now. So I've already posted it in the chat. We're looking good, and my limit order should hit here in a few. Limit sale order. That's right. Puts going crazy. So the beauty about it is, Mrs. Zero DT said I'm a 185%. That's right, killing it. And the beauty about it, and I hope somebody took heed to it. I called it out for free. I gave it to him on YouTube, right? I gave it to him. I like to be generous sometimes, right? That's why half of y'all are here, to be honest. Half of y'all are here as paying members because you were like, man, this motherfucker is good. Let me join him. And I'm glad you did, right? And I'm sure you're glad you did. So yeah, that's just what it is. So yeah, it's definitely one of those things that we've been looking at. We go see it's going to 464 short term. That's my price. 466 as low as 464. That's my price target, right? Now y'all keep in mind, Eon also called puts on this, so I don't know what his price target is, but I do have a price target as low as about like 466 on the first bounce. Now keep in mind, we got much far. I'm much lower. We'll say that. I got a lot lower to go, but I think it needs to bounce off of that four. I'm 466 as low as 460 because remember I told you, and I'll show you on the chart. Remember I told you we have that target of the high that we broke. So it was a high that we broke. We broke above it. I think we need to come down and take it out. Now also for my STB folks, I'm not gonna put this on here. But for my STB folks, y'all know we got the EMA strategy. Go take a look at the 20 EMA and tell me where it needs to be. Right? I think that'll help you as well. So, but we're not gonna put that on here because we got people in the Discord that might be stealing, and we got people who are on YouTube who might be stealing. Andre was looking at that yesterday, most definitely. 20 overdue. Facts. All right, so let's share this screen. Let's see what we got going on. Market did gap down. Val said, "Ooh, I see." That's right. Let's see. It's all good, Trail. It's all good. But you see it. You see it. You see it. So shout out to all my regulars, my folks who show up, the Rashidas of the world. What's up, Rashida? The Vows of the world. Shout out to Eon in the building. What's good? I want to call that. Others can catch. The 468 is perfect for people who start scaling to further calls. Yep, I think so too. Eon. Let's see. What's good, Carrington? What's good? What's good? Mercedes in the building. What's good? Maria, what's good? All right, there we go. But as y'all see, yeah. So I do have this 468 because I think that's the first place we need to cross before it, you know, really pays us. But keep in mind, like I said, I still have I left this chart this way so we can see it. This is a chart we've been having, I put it up so we can review. I do have this here. I'd like to see us get on down here. It's probably gonna buy it. They probably gonna buy it up before it hits that line. To be honest with you, so where I'm gonna be looking at, we got to go back. I'm gonna be looking to get in slightly early. Maybe it's the hour chart. Hold on. So this is 14. 2022. And so I think we go to the hour, we should see something. So yeah, that 1 hour shows. I usually just go to the 4 hours so I can see the overall picture. And the daily is still, it doesn't give me what I want on the overall picture. So I usually go there. So you got these bad boys here that's gonna hold, hold us up. And if, like I said, I'm expecting that to break up. And if that breaks, then I can see us getting somewhere in that range. So here's my multi-day target. We'll go from there. All right. Let's see. Bias looks strong. That's right. Bias looks strong at 464. It's a fact. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be looking at averaging. So yeah, a good place to start averaging would be here. I wouldn't be mad at that. Quite a few whales on SPY yesterday. Yep, sure was. All right, now, any new folks? I need to get us set up and, I need to get the understanding there. Any new folks in the building? New folks, new folks. That's right, the futures league, and so did Bitcoin. Any new folks, type 1. If this is your first week here, type 1. It's your first week here. Please type 1. I need to see you so I can help you, strategize and get things together, right? Make sure we all understand how to do this thing, right? Right. Let's see. So we got 1, 2. Okay, what's good? What's good? What's good, Willie? All right. Let's see. Okay. Now, something I asked all our trail, you hell, boy, I tell you. Now something I always ask my people who are new, something I ask everybody is, are you here? Because I need to know who you are and what you're here for. Are you here to maximize how much money you make? Because there's a way to do that. Like, there's a certain way we should be trading if you want to make as much as possible. Type 1 if you want to make as much as possible, or type 2 if you're like, I lean more to like day trading and like I'm here for the like rush and the fun of day trading. Type 2, because there are 2 different people that I usually get. I have some people who are like, no, bro, take me where it works the best. Like, where can I make the most money? That's why I need to put my energy, right? That will be the people who type 1. Then I got some people who are like, no, bro, I'm here to like gamble. Like, I like gambling and shit. Day trading is fun. Those are my people who are going to type 2. And that's totally fine, right? It's totally fine. But I need to know who all is here so that I can talk to you, right? Because I will talk to you. I'll see you. In my people who will type 2, I'll talk to you. Hey, having fun? Right? Ready to come make some money with us versus trying to do this bullshit. But no, I just like to see who's here. All right. What's up, Rohanda? I said, take me to the promised land. That's right. Okay, so it looks like all my new people, first of all, welcome. All my new people are like, okay, nah, I'm here to make as much money as possible. That's usually what I try to teach people. But like I said, every now and then I get somebody who's like, I'm ready to gamble. All right. What's good, Gino? What's good, Gino? Play with your kids, not my money. Facts. Um, Devin said one now and then two later when I get some experience and want to have fun. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Um, Especially if you just want to. Sometimes, just like gambling, sometimes you'll see me throw in $1,000 into the slot machine. What's the slot machine? Right here. I'll throw $1,500 into a slot machine. Yeah, okay, let's. I'm here anyway. Let's do some trading, right? Let's do some trading. Why not? Slot machine, right? Because in my slot machine, there's a higher in our. Let me say our in our slot machine. There's a higher probability that we can win. Okay, it's a high probability that we can win. So yeah, that's how I play this one. I play this one. So definitely what I'm seeing. Um, for my for my folks who know what's up. For my folks who know what's up. That's right, my money machine. You already know. For my folks who know what's up, you see what we got going here, right? So I'd say, yeah, trying to aim us down here. Okay, but we do know that it bounces, so we'll see. All right, let's see. Let's see. We take this out a little bit, and then we'll go into. So of course, we'll start with our day trading. Let me look through this list real quick. So we'll start with our day trading, and then um, we may go into some swings once we send the YouTube crowd on their way. Right, takes you right to the 468 PT. That's right, yeah. um, so yeah, I want to see how this thing's gonna play out because I do think potentially 468 would be the place to get out. Um, and I only say that because, uh-huh, here's why I say that. Right, I promise y'all I'm not gonna teach too much. Right. That's it. That's it, some of you. I ain't gonna teach too much. I ain't gonna teach too much, some of you. That's all I'll say, right? Because Head and Shoulders is nothing new. People on YouTube should know about that, right? That's nothing new. So I'm not. That's nothing new. I'll stop there. But that's my thesis for why I think we can get down to that 468 and bounce. Because there are buyers there, number one. There are buyers there for the bounce. Number two, I do think, like I said, we should be trying to build a formation on a larger time frame. All right. So that's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. Right. No, I can't help myself, man. I can't help myself. I just it just oozes out of me. I'm a natural teacher, man. I love this stuff. Right. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Natural teacher. Um, so yeah. Plus, for my people who are like one-on-ones or people who've been to like live events and stuff, y'all know what sauce I really got. And this little shit can go on YouTube and ain't nobody, they still not gonna understand what we got over here. So sometimes I don't even like worry about it because it's like whatever. The bottom feeders, I let them do their thing, right? I let them do their thing. All right, so y'all got that's right, it's lightweight. Y'all gotta excuse it. So I live in a community where they building every day. So you probably hear a little noise over there. They building. All right. They're finishing up another house. um, like a little ways away. So yeah, it's gonna be a little noise, but that's right, family. You already know that knowledge will run deep, run deep. Um, so yeah, we good, man. We ain't worried about it. All right. So that being said, I do see room for a potential day trade for my people who are here to day trade. And the reason why I say this is because so we got a gap down, right? Um, it's so amazing. First of all, hold on. Let me show y'all something, man. It's so amazing when we draw stuff. Like I'm just looking at like previous stuff. Look how I drew these white lines, they go way back. Like I drew these white lines way back here. Like way back. I'm not even gonna go all the way back, but these white lines were drawn like over a week ago, right? And just look at how they are. Follow, resistance, support, resistance, got above, support. Look at that, resistance, gap down. Ooh, I just love to see it. I'm not gonna lie, it's like art to me, right? Support, and then look, we came in, we were day trading this. That's why I had these, and look, they followed it. Boom, support, resistance, got above it, held support, ran off. Right? This is how, I mean, literally, this is how we day trade. This is how I've been day trading for the last almost 11 years now. Actually, 2024 makes 11 years. So 11 years now. And like, look at this. It just works. Got underneath resistance, ran down. Resistance, took us to support. Right? Got underneath support, held resistance, took us down. Boom. Started flirting with that same downtrend line, held it, bounced. Right? And so this stuff is just beauty. I'm not gonna lie, this is a work of art. I like it. So with that being said, this should be resistance. Let's see how they hold it, right? We should have some resistance right here. This should be resistance. I like a sell right here. Anybody who wants to do a 0 DTE day trade, right? I would say that's a great first entry. 0 DTE at the money puts. Look at it. That's a great. I showed you all of that so you can then come over here and be like, holy shit. Jerry said, I'm already in. There we go. 0 DTE puts. I like that. I like right there. That's a great entry. Let's see. Good God, look at that. Look at the sellers. Look at the resistance stepping in. Oh, look at the resistance. Okay, now this is support, so we do have to break this. We do have to break this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, that's right, 2 seconds after I say it, it just, y'all know how this works, man. It's like they listening to me. It always happens like that. I can't do much about it. I can't do much about it. But everybody should have, I mean, not everybody, but most of y'all who are day traders, y'all say y'all day traders, y'all should have been able to get in on that. It gave you 2 bumps against this. It got up here, it pulled back, it bumped again. Y'all should have had y'all finger on the trigger. And even now, it's bumping back against it. So y'all should have y'all's finger on the trigger for my day traders. So you hear like a couple people like, I'm already in it. I'm already in it. So yeah, like y'all should have been good there. Should have been good. All right. So yeah, I wanna just, I'm not buying much shit because I'm waiting on this swing to finish up. Travis says, is it too late to get in? I know, right? But no, we're good. We're good. We got to break through this support. Yes, we do have to break through this support. But if we can break through that support, I think we're going to be. I think we'll be solid. I think we're going to be solid. Um, there it is. That was a fast breakthrough support. Good God. Uh, so yeah, this is resistance now. So close. We got resistance. Should hold. Should hold. I'd like to see them come down and start testing for this 468, 469 target that we have. Right. So yeah, I think we good. I think we're good. There it is. I think we are good. So Zero DTE folks, please talk to me. Talk to me. Where are you? Where are you? Please talk to me. Zero DTE folks, where are you? How much are we up? I know we up. I know we up. We definitely are up. Let's see, up 13%. Good job. Good job. All right, there we go. Let me start us a new. We need us a January. Up 16%. There we go. Beyond up 117%. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's see. IWM up 10% on the puts. Facts, facts. There we go. There we go. Okay. We'll start here. So we'll say January's performance. Okay, y'all know I just like to write them all down. Today is 1/3. See. I think those puts, safe to say, SPA puts as a day trade. That was, I think we got, let's see, I think most people had 16, 17%, I think. Yeah, and I don't think it's done, honestly. So I'd like to see if we can go ahead and break this thing down a little bit more. It's gonna take some time, but I do think this thing can break down a little bit more. So, and I got in late, so let me see where mine is sitting. I got in pretty late. And yeah, I'm sitting at 18%. So I'll go ahead and like structure that to say, hey, we got that 18%. Right? I'm up 51% on the spot. Good job. Good job. There it is. That just took me to 33%. I'll take it. There it is. That's what I was expecting. There it is. There it is. Come on down, baby. The price is right. Come on down. The price is right. I think it's trying to get to my line. I think it's trying to get to my line. So we'll see. I'll go ahead and put in my sell order just so we ready. Nothing too crazy. That's clean. That's clean right there. That's good. That's clean. All right. A lot of y'all talking about IWM. Let's see what our actual position looks like right now. Woo! And it hit the line like clockwork. We're out of there. All right, boom. You know how we do? Anybody, for my new folks, I'm telling y'all stick around. We're gonna have some fun, baby. Now stick around, we're gonna have some fun. Swing trades. Let's see where we are. We are oh, goodness gracious. Swing trades look really good. Really good. Okay, swing trades are swinging. We are good. We are good to go. So the day trade was good. I just took 33%. That's why I got my limit sell order hit. So 30% profit on puts. That was 130 DTE. You know how we do it. That's right. Great start to the year. Right? Yeah, so the swings are looking good. We are also looking at, let's see, tick, 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 tick. A lot of y'all are ranting and raving about, yes, IWM also looks really good. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. All right, so looking good. Down. I'm watching. That's what it looks like, Rashida. Yeah, so I'm gonna be getting long here in a minute. Not right now. Not right now, but we'll talk about that. Trail, we'll go over that after we send YouTube on their way. Yeah, we'll have some stuff we'll go over. Got data in 2 minutes. And it's jumping right now too. It is jumping. All right. I'm actually going to hedge the data. I need to see I need to see us break this. There it is. There it is. I'm gonna hedge the data on our swings. I'm gonna probably look for a call just for the hell of it. Let me see something real quick. Mm, I don't know, man. I was gonna call. I was gonna give some calls, but I think it's gonna try to come and retest maybe this green line. But it's not. It's. I try not to trade super like pennies because I mean that would be 92 cents. So 469.92 to maybe. Woo! There's the test. Let's see if it holds. I think it's gonna try to come back up here. Yeah, news is out. Yeah, it's coming back up. Let's see if it's gonna test that. Now, I'll be honest, this is a 5 second chart, and when trading news, you do not trade the 5 second chart because this can happen. Right? Yeah. Damn it. I was gonna take calls, and here's a shit to hit. I didn't join that call. I'll be honest. I did not join that call. But I saw this. I said, hey, I should probably buy calls just to hedge our swings because I felt that this was gonna happen. That would have been a nice. That was a great play. It followed literally everything we just went over. So, sometimes you miss some. Sometimes you miss some. But everybody should have locked in at least 15 to 33% because I was up 33%. So we made our profit down here. Our line hit that I had set. The line hit. It broke this downtrend. It held support and then it ran off. And that's what I was expecting. That's exactly what I was expecting. Damn. Oh, I was like, we're gonna hedge these puts. Let's get some calls. And then it took off before I could get in. It's all good. It happens. It happens. And this is a part of your trading journey, right? This is a part of your trading journey that you need to be comfortable with. You're not gonna be able to catch them all. Sometimes you're gonna see some stuff like what we just saw. It'll run up and then you'll miss it. You'll miss it. And so it's just part of the journey, right? Part of the journey. I'm not trading right now because, like I said, it's news and they're kicking out some. Let me see. I just like watching it. I'm not gonna lie. This is how I got good with trading the 5 second and the 15 second chart. I just watch it. I like to watch it. And the more I see that it holds my support and resistance, I mean, look at this. The more I see it holds my support and resistances, I'm like, you don't scare me, 5 second chart. You do the same shit that the one daily chart, the daily chart does. Like, it's the same thing. It just move fast. You just need to know what you're doing. That's it. And because I've been doing it so long, I can come down here and I can trade it. So, yeah. That's right. It's like a movie. Yeah, you train. Yeah, this is how you train your eyes, Rashida. Yeah. So literally, I'll come down here and I trade it. And I'll watch it and I'll just sit and watch. Hey, you got buyers here, you got sellers here, you got support and resistance here and there. Okay, cool. Let's see how this works. See how this works. Now, of course, Rashida, I can't lie to you now. Just because you come to the 5 second chart don't mean you're gonna get good at trading this if you don't know how to do a top-down analysis. And what that means is you have to be aware of what's going on every higher time frame. So in my mind, I know where we are on the monthly, I know where we are on the weekly, I know where we are on the daily, I know where we are on the 4 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Like, you have to know. And so that way you won't get caught down here on a big daily candle. So you have to keep your bias intact, right? You have to know your overall bias. All right. So that was good. That was good. We made some really good profit. Should have made some more profit, but that's all good. We got that there. I don't think it's done, actually. I don't think it's done. I really want to see it bring his ass back down here. I don't think it's done, though. I think it's got more room to run. So they're going to stall us out on those puts once again. If anybody is still holding, excuse me. If you're still holding your swing trade for 468 because I know a lot of us are holding for 468. If you still holding for that, they gonna stall. They finna stall it out. They getting ready to run this thing up maybe another $2, $1.50. We had $1. We had 470.61. Yeah, I think this is gonna go to 471. Probably back to resistance. That's what I think it's going. I think it's going back to resistance. So for me, I'd be looking to scale into some. I'll be okay with it. I'll scale into some calls because it's a hedge. It's a hedge, and I ain't putting a lot of money on it, but I do see where it needs to go. So yeah, at the money, I like it. Um, zero DTE, you know the game. Zero DTE at the money. Let's see what it does. And you can go. I mean, it's up to y'all. Obviously, you can go slightly out the money if that's what you want to do. I wouldn't suggest it unless you just know what you're doing. But yeah, I don't think it's done. This structure is telling me we got some room to go. So I'd like to see us come back and test this, and that's going to provide us yet another great opportunity to. All right. Eon, I don't think you'll have to extend it. I think we can touch this within the next hour, right? We can touch this in the next hour, maybe. And yeah, here it comes. Yeah, I think this move right here is giving us exactly what I needed to give. It's giving us exactly what I needed to give. So we're holding this right now, right? So I do think it'll come back and bounce on this line, but other than that, this line has been holding for a minute now. So, yeah, I think you're gonna hold that line, right? I think this right here is the line that we're currently following. Look at that. So if I say we're gonna get up here, that's 1008, 1008, 1010. So I think if we're gonna touch that line, 471.35, it's gonna take till 1010 to get there. So we'll see. We'll see. That's right, Trail. Trail said, "Are y'all not entertained?" We do what we can, Trail. Some people still think I'm a scammer. I just get money and laugh at this point. I just get money and laugh. But yeah, this is how we play the game. My swings are out to March. Yeah, you good, Val. Trail said, "Ben erase those doubts." I mean, people are grown. That's why I always say, I'm like, y'all grown. Y'all can believe and do whatever the hell you want to do. But I do feel like now, while we wait on our target to hit, so we got two targets. We got 468 that needs to hit for the swings that I think are going to hit probably within the next 48 hours. And then we got this target of 471.33 that I think is going to hit probably within the next hour. I don't even know if it'll take that. But let me say this. I think we are currently in a time 60% up on my swings. Oh yeah, so swing up 60%. And so yeah, so the hedge, literally, this is how we play the game. Literally, I put like $100 into zero DTEs to get here. Literally, I can lose the whole 100 because we're currently up 2,000. I'm up $2,000 on my short-term swing, right? So this is how you hedge. So if it does go up there and $100 turns into $150, cool. We make some good money, and then we wait for the hedge for the puts to continue to go. So this is how I hedge, right? But anyway, I think we're currently, while we're waiting on that target to hit, I think we are currently in a time that I think tricks have been played on the overall masses. I do. I think tricks have been played on the overall masses. And now what's happened is, I think because the industry has been kind of tainted, I think the I hate to be the tinfoil hat guy, but y'all know me. I'm a conspiracy theorist. I'll be honest with you. I think the masses, the big money, or whatever you want to say, I think they're leaning into that, and they're like, yes, don't believe none of them, right? And so, and I say that because I personally know, I'm not even talking about me. Take me out the equation. I personally know some really good traders, some really good swing traders, some really good investors who know where the market's going. They know what I know, right? They know where I know, if not more, right? I know some of them. But now we're sitting at this point, they're like, yeah, don't believe none of it. All of them are scammers. If they knew something that helped you make money, everybody would be rich. Like they lean into that narrative. And so what happened is the everyday little guy, they run into a couple scammers, they get kind of burned, and then they go back to work. They go back to work. And I'm not totally against it. I'll be honest. I'm not totally against it because we need people to work. We need people to work. Everybody can't be rich. Everybody can't just make money and sit at home and trade stocks. We do need, we do need people to work. We do need people to work. So I'm not totally against it. I'll be honest with you. I'm not totally against it. But also now, hear me out. But I do my part to teach. I do my part. So it's like, I'm not against it. If you want to go to work, we need workers. We need people who want to work. We need role players, right? We need people to work. But if you don't want to, if you want to take a little risk, you can come over here with me. And so when I get trolls and all that stuff, I'm like, yeah, I'll take y'all ass back to work. Right? Now, you ain't gonna be making my hamburgers because I don't eat at the places y'all, some of those trolls are gonna be working. But you can make the burgers of whomever else for now until the machines replace your ass. But yeah, we get a trend line. Oh yeah, we trending. We definitely trending. It's looking good too. So the swing puts should be putting. They look really good. Yeah. Here's our next support. So I think it's trying to make its way down to that support. That's 469. I don't know if we got down here yet. No. So we haven't been able to touch 469 yet. So that's gonna give us a new low for the day, which should make our swing puts even better. Let's get it. That's right, Damien. Yeah, we ain't eating off the dollar menu. Yeah, But I need somebody to work at the vegan restaurant and make my fucking food. I need somebody. Everybody can't be a day trader. Everybody can't be a swing trader. I need somebody making me some vegan food. Right? I'm just being honest. Right? I'm just being honest. I need somebody making the vegan food. Spot puts up 255%. Yeah, I'm reaching right at 142 myself. But yeah, like when I go out of town, I need somebody to make vegan food. I need somebody, everybody can't trade, and I'm okay with that. It's looking very choppy as we get down here, which leads me to think it's getting ready to run out of gas. Not gonna lie. Looks like it's running out of gas. So I'd like to see that line hit and see what they want to do with it. I think they're going to hold support just because it looks like it's running. When they start chopping like that, it's running out of gas. It's running out of gas. So I'd like to see about stepping into some calls here in a second. I'm actually, y'all know me, man. I front run my shit, so I'm actually going to start locking in some profits on those swings. Let's see. Yeah, that was good. That was good. So we got support here. I like it for me personally. I'll give out a spot swing alert. I'm gonna put it in the chat so it's not on YouTube. Hold on. Let me double check and see what it looks like as far as. All right, I'm gonna stop this real quick so I can check on something. All right, I'm gonna check on something real quick, but I think it's gonna give us some love. So I'm actually going to be looking to start loading on to some calls here. Yeah, we starting to get there. I will start slowly loading in. Let's see. I think that'll be good. They're not as cheap as I want them to be, but it's all good. It's all good. They definitely not as cheap as I want them to be. Um, that's all good. Now I'll be honest with y'all. I'm just slowly entering short of where I know it's going. It has more room to run. I just got to be honest with y'all. So I'm going to put it in the chat because this is going on YouTube. So but I see we got to get down here, right? That's where we're going. I front run. That's just what I do. I front run. So especially on swing trades, I front run. Okay. Which is your PT for spy round 240, 264. You say which is your PT for spy round 264? I mean, that's if we can get the right wave. If we can get the right wave, yeah, that's the PT. Turn the screen share on. We can't see. All right, I'm gonna turn the screen share back on, and we're gonna go to our normal chart. What's up, Jordan? Shout out to Jordan, man. One of the best traders over here. Oh yeah. I see you, Eder. Yep. Yeah, I see you. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. Shirley, no. I'm personally not. I would not go zero DTE calls just because I don't know, man. I do think we need to get down here. We are currently underneath the resistance. I personally do not like zero DTE calls right now. Now, if this motherfucker, if we can get it down here, I like this support area for maybe, and I still would do zero DTE, right? So, um, just in case. Now keep in mind we have a hedge. We have a hedge in place, right? And I am down 50% on that hedge, 52%. I am down on which actually I didn't go that heavy. So I'm down 52%, but look, I'm down $20. I'll take a screenshot. I'm down $20. I didn't put much into it, right? Now, I also took a screenshot of what I just made because I told you I'm locking in profits early. I took profits on my swing puts. That was like $2,000 profit. So for me, once again, I'm okay to lose the hedge. So yes, that hedge, and I'll keep it on because maybe we'll get down here today and it just decides to blow up. Cool. Right. We did a hedge earlier for zero DTE costs. That was a hedge earlier because this little structure that we would plan in, I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I think it's trying to aim for this, right? And it leaked. It gave us confirmation and it failed. And I told you, I said that was just a hedge. It was a hedge. I'm okay, and I'm probably going to lose 100% of that hedge, and I am glad to do so, right? Because I just made so much money on that, it's ridiculous. So, so I'm okay with that, right? Let's see. All right, so I'm going to actually put the swing trade alert in the Discord. Let's see. And keep in mind, this will still be a hedge, so I'm gonna put it in there. No, I like to make money while we wait. I know how we do. Um, I don't think it's gonna be that low. So we'll go. Yeah, I like that. Like that. And then let's see. I go in. And I will say these, these, and two. Right? Yeah, I like us making money while we wait. So, all right, so we're gonna send it off. Boom. All right. So it is. I just put the swing hedge alert. I just put the swing trade alert in the swing trade alerts channel. Right. So, like I said, that way we don't have to worry about this going on YouTube. But please read that, go over it, see how you like it, see what you see if you see what I see. And we'll go from there. But yeah, I like it. I like where we are currently. I do see us getting down to this support range potentially. So this is me just scaling in early. I'm scaling in early, right? I'm okay. This is how I play the game because I've been doing this so long, right? Which course are you talking about, Tom? So how can we access the course? If you're talking about the get to the bag, is that what you're talking about? The free course? The $5,000 course that I made free. Is that what you're talking about? Yes. Okay. So if you go to the Discord channel, if you go on the Discord channel, scroll down, you'll see a present emoji, like a gift. It'll say get to the bag. Click that and follow the instructions. You should be good. Um, and yeah, you're right, Eon. It is strange. Hold on. I didn't I didn't delete. Hold on. I didn't delete this part. My bad. There we go. I'm trying to talk, walk, and do all of this shit. All right, we good now. Nah, y'all wouldn't tripping, man. But yes, end, y'all will be good. If you take it to the end, it should be good. All right, let's see. All right. So that was good there. Let me see. I still want to see if I can get one more. I'm actually going to go spy calls for tomorrow. What's today? Let me see. Hold on. Because if today is Wednesday, I'm going to swing it into Friday. I'm going to go spy calls for Friday. I do think we got another dollar to fall. Don't get me wrong, but I want to be in place for Friday. Friday is January 5th. If the thing hits today, cool. It hit today, right? But I want to build in this motherfucker got to get hit. I'm telling you, I'm gonna put a line right here because you know me, I don't want to wait for it to hit. I get out a little early, but I see it. I see it. So I want to go January 5th. These are $190. Right, that means we moving up. I would say this will be scaling number one. I'd say scaling number two will be here. And we'll create another scale in. I think we can scale in there. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. This is for short term, for my short term folks. It's for my short-term funds. Yeah, like that. So Friday, right? Friday expiration date. You can go right at the money, or you can go where I see it going, which is like that 471. Right? Up to you. Up to you. Let's see. Let me make sure I did that right. Yeah, I want 470. So I want 470 on the strike price for me. Calls into Friday. Are you gonna go today? No, we'll see. We'll see. This is the 5-second chart, so we're not gonna go too crazy with it. But yeah, we good. I see you, Eon. You roll the call, coach. No. I still have my day trade call, and then I'm throwing one out. Cause see, the day trade call was like I said, I put like $40 in it to hedge, right? I just made $2,000 on the hedge, right? So I'm cool. If now I'm gonna keep my day trade on. The day trade in the calls that was a hedge, I'm actually gonna keep that on. You go there today, cool, right? Then I'm gonna take a portion of the $2,000 I just made, and I'm gonna swing that motherfucker for STB. My Discord folks, you gotta swing. So I'm gonna take a portion of that and swing it out to where we got going. And then I'm also gonna take another portion and swing some out to Friday, right? So that's kind of how it. So there's a way I play that's a little different. All right, I play a little different than the average person, but I'm moving multiples. I stagger my positions, I'm moving multiples. So, for example, if we get here, or when we get here, because it's coming, all right? So when we get here, we get to this target, guess what? If you only played one position, you got to take it right there. But if you got 3, 4, I take the one I took today. I take the one I did for Friday. I take the one off. Like, I got multiple positions. I can start locking in money, right? And then I can hold some runners. Take off, baby. Take off. Take off if you want to. Jordan said, you play like a money manager, as every trader should strive to do. Protects you more and maximizing your facts, Jordan. Now, see, Jordan understands that game because Jordan come from, he worked at a large institution where he got to see money managers, do exactly what I'm doing. So yes, this is how I play. And to the average schmuck, right, they're not going to understand this stuff, right? They're not going to understand it because they're like, why you got multiple positions going the same way? So once again, like it's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. But those Friday calls are already up 11%. Good God. They're already up 11%. So yeah, we're looking good already. So Friday's calls are calling. Friday's calls are calling. Once again, I still think we need to get down here though. So I'm patient. All right, we can take off. Let's see. There you go, Trail. Symphony Method. Shout out to my STB folks. Y'all know what this is. Symphony Method. So yeah, we've been doing this. We've been doing it. So since the beginning of STB, I've been telling y'all Symphony Method, Symphony Method. Symphony Method, Symphony Method. Now you get to see that it works on a day-to-day basis. You can do it on a week-to-week basis, month-to-month, year-to-year. It works. Symphony. And it could be done in multiple layers. So yeah, shout out to STB. Shout out to my STB folks. STB VIP. Shout out to y'all. Let's see. Chris said that's my shit. My puts expire 110. Should I go ahead and keep them? Take profits. Monica, that's up to you. That's up to you. Monica, how much percentage are you up on those puts that expire on 110? I'm gonna show you something, Monica. Talk to me, Monica. How much are you up on those puts? You up 60%, Monica, and you asking me, should you keep holding? I thought you'd get a good laugh out of that, Monica. Hey, but I can't tell y'all to sell or to buy or to, I can only tell you where the market is going. And I say, hey, it's up to you. Because if you want to be a little bit more risky, Monica, that's on you. You can say, hey, I'm gonna risk it. I see. Tay said he can see it going down here. I'm gonna just hold. Or you can say, you know what? You heard what I just did. I got out of here. Right? So yeah, it's up to you, Monica. It's up to you. I do my best to try to give y'all like what I'm doing and what I see on the charts, but I can't tell y'all to like literally push the button and hey, get out here, get hit. I can't do that. But I can tell you what I see and what I'm doing. Right? That's right, David. Most people don't make 60% in 5 years. That's a fact. That's a fact. Now, to be fair, we're trading a smaller amount of money, as we should be. But 60% on a small amount of money. So look at it like this. I think I took maybe 82%, right? Which was about $2,000 and some change. I got the screenshots. I'll share them on the video when I upload it. But think about this. If somebody who can afford to play with a $2,000 position on a swing trade, they probably have about 20K, right? I'd be okay with somebody swinging $2,000 who has $20,000 in their account. Cool. Now, let's say you went to a money manager or somebody who does this for a living and you gave them 20K. On average, what would y'all say a money manager would get someone percentage-wise per year? What percentage would you consider, I was like consider good, but average? What would you consider average percentage-wise that a money manager would get most people? So Brenda said 5 to 10%. Brian said 2 to 4%, 10%. I was gonna say 10%. I'll be okay with that, right? Yeah, you saw the stop hunt. I'd say 10%. Let's go with 10%. On a good year, like last year, yeah, 11%. Now, what I'm trying to show you is that, okay, I send $20,000 to a money manager, they make me 10% over the year, right? Maybe 10% over the year. That's $2,000. I, as a knowledgeable person, take $20,000 and only trade, y'all know the rule, 80-20. I only trade 20% of it, right? So my average entry might be $1,000, maybe $2,000 I might put in, right? So I put in $2,000 like I did. You'll see on the screenshot, I put in about $2,000 and then I made about $2,000. So the money manager in a year made $2,000 on 20K in a year. What we do, we took 20K, we traded with 2,000 of it, and we made $2,000 in a week. So what I try to tell, and keep in mind, the money manager is going to take a little bit off the top because they need their management fee, 1%, 2% management fee, right? So what I'm trying to teach y'all how to do is you could beat that system. It takes this and it take a little, got controls, right? You got to control your emotions. But if we could control the emotions, really learn how to do this thing, I could teach you how to beat the system that they're playing. But once again, hey, who am I though, right? Who am I? All right, so Juice for the day, man. So this is actually not a juice. This is a tea. This is a tea. I'm sure somebody's wondering right now. So I've been drinking on a tea. This is it's like a herbal tea. Got a little lemon juice in there. You know what we do. Val said this needs to be $500. $500 a month, Val? Is that where you think we should go? Well, here's the thing, Val. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna eventually get it there. It's all up to y'all. So as y'all see, literally, I have put on the site a scheduled price increase based on y'all's performance. So as y'all are trading and making more money, that's how I'm going to justify raising the price. If I don't perform better, I shouldn't make no more money. I think that's fair. However, if I perform, right? I think that's fair. I think that's fair. So if I'm not performing, price stays the same, right? Jordan said, y'all gonna hate me. Jordan, send me them screenshots. The more screenshots I get, the more value I'm creating and the more I'm gonna, it's like a stock. If Apple making more money, baby, if they're performing well, Apple stock goes up. And so that's all, literally, that's all I do. I treat this like a stock, like the stock market. So y'all send me real live accounts because I don't want to, put that out and say, oh, this is paper trading. Y'all send me real live accounts. And as y'all send me y'all screenshots of like y'all's real live accounts, what I'm doing is, so I asked y'all probably a week ago, I said, how many of y'all have made over $20,000 being here, right? $20,000 profit. I said, I think I said like type 1 or something, right? And a bunch of y'all type 1. I said, okay, so over 20 people. I said, yeah, I can justify $250 a month, right? The next level, I'll keep it at $250 for a minute, but the next level, when y'all get over 100K and y'all like, Tay, I done hit 6 figures, big dog. We already got a couple of y'all who've done that, right? Shit, Hunter did it in 3 weeks. But as y'all, as I get more and more, when I get over 20 people to send me $100,000 or more in profit, price goes to $500 a month. Now y'all are locked in. Just don't leave. If y'all leave and then you try to come back, you gotta pay that next price, right? But y'all are locked in. Wherever you locked in at, you locked in. So you good. But what I'm doing is for people who are sleeping on me, for people who are bullshitting, dragging their feet, whatever it may be, as my performance gets better, I take the price up. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. And so if y'all want to see the price go up, because y'all trying to keep people out, which is fine. I'm okay with that. If y'all want to see the price go up, there's just 2 things I need from you. Number one, continue to perform with me and send me those screenshots so that I can say, no, I got the proof. Like they're making the money. That's why I'm raising it, right? So that's the one thing y'all can do. And if y'all want to see the price continue to go up, then another thing you can do is that, like, and I'll be doing more stuff, but like when I put some on YouTube or Instagram and people, they're looking at it and y'all like, no, like y'all better get y'all ass. Otherwise, it's getting ready to be a wrap, right? Those are 2 things y'all can do, right? Let me see. Imagine the people who got in the SCB for $50. I know, right? Most of them left. Here's why. Here's the psychology once again. Okay, so we're getting down to my price targets. There we go. There it is. Boom. Boom. There it is. Next one to hit. Come on, baby. Like I said, I got in early personally, or I got out of the puts early, but I told you, I said, we can get down here. This is where it's going. First price target just hit. Come on, baby. You ain't done. Give me some more. Mas. My son said, Mas. But no, I think it got more to go. So for my people who did get out, cool. We took our profit. Monica, it's all good. 60% profit is great, right? It's coming down a little bit more. Might have been able to get another 10% out of that, maybe, right? But yeah, for those of y'all who hold in runners, that's cool. That's cool, right? That's right, Monica. I'll take that any day, right? That's right, Eder. Yeah, we do, we do the, so we're teaching my son, he knows the sign language, please, I'm say please. Like, all right. Bath, little stuff like that. Like he's he's doing those things. So, thank you. So we teach him like sign language and some other stuff. So my boy, my boy gonna be ready, man. He's gonna be ready. There's the next one. Let's go. And then we got this third one I need to hit. I need that third one to hit. Then it's game time, baby. There it is. There it is. All right, price targets have hit. I like it. I like it. Let's see what we do with this now. All right, so remember I told you this is support. I am expecting this thing to bounce now. Once again, it could go a little bit lower, right? What we need to do is go in and find some more support, but this is still a support line. So I would like to see this support hold. And if we go to our larger time frame, which was that hour, look where we're sitting, right in the buyers. Hello, buyers. Let's see. He said a baby sign language is a great thing. It really worked for us. Yeah, it really does work. It really does. I love it. I absolutely love it. So said sold at 60%. Good. Yeah, take your profits. 60% is great. It's great. Don't feel bad about taking profit, y'all. Sometimes we get out early, and you're gonna notice. Sometimes you wanna get out early, right? Because you're gonna notice sometimes if you don't get out early, you're gonna be like, God. Sometimes, boom, you're like, I should have got out a little early. All right. So we bring in some EMA magic. So I'll take that. We bring in some EMA magic. I like my 20 to be yellow. Oh, I forgot I drew this. I forgot I drew this. Look at that. Just coming on down. Now, I don't know if we're going to get here yet, but I am expecting this. All right. I am expecting that. So here we go. I think I did this for the video I put on YouTube, like the prediction video. I think that's what that's from. I forgot I drew that. But yeah. So yeah, we're looking good. Come on down. So 20 EMA sitting right there. That should be some nice support. We got buyers. We got the 20 EMA. And then really, if I scroll out, I can almost guarantee you there's some support sitting right there as well. So that's it. I said, Tay literally predicting the next 6 months. Wow. Yeah, you know how we do. You know how we do. So yeah, this is what I got. We'll wait for things to turn around. I've been waiting on us, so we took some great profit right here. Great profit right here. So I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Let me see something real quick. I'm a fan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's what I needed to see. Uh-oh. My STB folks know what we're looking at, man. Y'all know what we're looking at. Y'all know what we're looking at. All right, so I got everything I need. So take me where we need to go. Great profits for the day. Let me go ahead and write down the SPY puts swing. I think mine was 82%, 83% in total. Okay. And then now we are waiting on calls to come. All right, so that's gonna be the time for the day as far as YouTube. Yeah, we're gonna kick the YouTubers out. All right, so that's our time for the day on the day trading side of things. We took one profitable put on a day trade. Then we did we had our swing trade that we took 82% on, and then we took a L on I can't call it an L yet, but we'll just say it's an L, right? We took an L on the small calls hedge against the puts, right? It shouldn't have been a lot. I lost, what's that, $100? I lost $100, but I made 2,000 on the puts. So whatever. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and kick out YouTube. And then we got some talking to do, right? We got some stuff to talk about. So let's get it.
Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag. These private flights.